The issue of working hours in the industry has been in the spotlight ever since reports surfaced about Deepika Padukone's exit from the movie Spirit due to disagreements over work conditions. In light of this, Sonakshi Sinha has added her voice to the debate, showing full support for Deepika's stance on a more balanced work schedule. When asked about the idea of an 8-hour workday, Sonakshi was clear about her opinion. "I'm all for it," she said. She believes that the work schedule in Bollywood needs to be more structured, particularly when it comes to female actors. Reflecting on her own experiences in the industry, Sonakshi, who has been working for 15 years, shared that she's often worked with actors who strictly adhere to an 8-hour workday. According to her, there's no reason why women should be treated differently when it comes to work hours. "I've worked with actors who don't work beyond 8 hours. So, I don't see why it should be any different for female actors as well," Sonakshi explained. While Sonakshi supports the idea of a standard 8-hour day, she also emphasized the need for flexibility depending on the requirements of the project. Some shoots, she pointed out, may require longer hours, but with proper scheduling, the 8-hour workday can still be achievable. It also depends on the requirements of the project and all. You can schedule it in a way where you accommodate those hours. Sonakshi further explained how long workdays can impact personal time, especially when staying fit is a crucial part of her role. She emphasized that if she is required to maintain a high level of fitness for a film, she needs to dedicate a couple of hours to working out. "Today, if I'm doing a film where I'm required to be extremely fit, I need those 2 hours to go to the gym. Well, if you put me on set for 12 to 14 hours, I won't be able to do it." However, she made it clear that she's not entirely against long work hours. If the role doesn't require extra time for fitness, Sonakshi is willing to put in those extra hours on set. "If I don't need to do that, I'll give you 12 hours happily. I'll give you 10 hours happily. But where it's not required, then I'm sure adjustments can be made." Sonakshi's stance on structured working hours highlights a growing need for balance in the Bollywood industry, one that prioritizes both work and personal well-being. As conversations about improving work conditions in the film industry continue, Sonakshi's perspective adds an important voice to the discussion.